Hey guys, it's Tracy and Aaron here.
Hi.
And we are still in New Orleans. I'm just checking out the town here, and we are currently in Jackson Square.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Show you around here. So,
Obviously it's raining.
yeah, it's raining. We have the umbrellas out. So, all these really cool architectural buildings are all around us here.
There's a statue.
And here's actually, yeah, the statue of Andrew Jackson. It's a beautiful park.
I want to walk and hold my hair.
Thank you so much. I have one. I'm not that terrible.
And that is a statue of Andrew Jackson. It's kind of dark. You can hard to see. It says Major General Andrew Jackson.
Wow, that's a beautiful statue.
Oh yeah. So there's the Union. Okay, so on the side, it's hard to see again. It says the Union must and shall be preserved.
And then if you come over here,
Very
you
cool.
look at this beautiful.
Yeah.
And I think this is actual government buildings here.
Yeah. Just show you around here. Oh, yeah, that's way cool.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's like restaurants and shops all around this too.
Yeah.
But it's a very green park. They take care of us, obviously. Very, very cool. All right, we'll walk down here a little further. I got a closer view of this building. This is way cool.
Yeah. Louisiana State Museum.
Yeah, it's like Tracy said, Louisiana State Museum. And on the other side of that is the same thing.
And this is a church. This is a Catholic church. Yeah, Jackson Square is really cool.
Yeah.
This is a nice view too. Look, kind of nice.
So yeah, the behind us, it's it's starting to finally clear a little bit with the rain. It poured earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been raining for a good 3 hours.
Yeah. And yeah, we're not actually too far from Bourbon Street, which is
No.
just right down that way, a little ways.
Yep.
Yeah, this is cool.
So, the occasional and second pastoral visit to the United States of America, His Holiness Pope John Paul II worshiped with clergy and religious in this historic Basilia, September 12, 1987. That's cool.
We're going to show you what Tracy's reading to you.
Oh, and here's
So that's what Tracy was reading. Oh, that's cool. There's a Pope statue. Very nice. All right, so yeah, that's Jackson Square. Not kind of a short little tour, but it's not,
really cool.
it's really cool. You have to kind of see it if you're here, because it's way cool. But you guys have to let me know what you think about it. So leave comments below or questions. Otherwise, hey, thank you for watching.